Morning, guys. Local time is 10:49 a.m. Eastern time. Currently located in Madison, Georgia. We're currently traveling on Interstate 20 as we make our way to Louisiana. The good old Louisiana, guys. But yeah, I got here like at 12:30, I believe it was. And man, I was out of it. I went ahead and took a shower and came back to the truck, and I was knocked out. Let's go ahead and get rolling, guys. But look at that, finally it's not raining. Oh my gosh, I got something on my throat. I just finished eating a little sandwich. Yeah, but look at that, it's not raining finally. Man, literally the whole day, from the moment I woke up yesterday to till I got to Georgia, well, probably like 10 minutes before I got off at the exit here, it stopped raining. But man, it was raining the whole day, man. I was getting kind of not pissed, but kind of mad. Like, come on, man. We are gonna be passing through the 285 Atlanta. We're probably about an hour away, and so by the time we get through there, it's gonna be like 12, I believe, or maybe just before 12. So there's not gonna be a lot of traffic. All right, we need 20 west. We are gonna make it to Louisiana today. I already had the GPS set for a TA about 52 minutes away from my delivery tomorrow morning, so no bad. Come on. But how you guys doing this morning? Everything good? I hope everything is good. Come on, Mr. White Bobo. Come in. There you go. Thank you. It's a beautiful day in Georgia, at least on the 20, before you get to the madness of Atlanta. Current temperature right now is 42 degrees. It's kind of windy though. That's for sure. Oh, come on, Stevens. You come on. He slowed me down going uphill. It's alright. Stevens had a good reason why he went to the left lane. He was letting the flatbed get to the highway. Alright, come on. Let's go ahead and pick up some speed now. Outside, man. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, or at least the noise a little bit. But alright guys, I'll catch you guys when we get to Atlanta, to the 285. Peace out guys, be safe. Alrighty guys, local time is 11:34 a.m. Currently traveling Interstate 20 westbound. We're about to get on the 285 bypass. I'm actually gonna stop at a Pilot about 6 miles away from here. I saw that they have the cheapest fuel for today on my route. So we just gonna put maybe what, like 50 gallons, like 55 gallons I'll put. Man, it's been a windy morning here in Georgia. I got 44, almost 44,500 pounds in the box, and I can still feel that wind. Alright, 20. See you in a few. If you guys didn't know, Interstate 20 goes into downtown, but semi trucks can't go into downtown unless, of course, if you're like a local driver or you have a delivery somewhere around that area, then you can. But other than that, you have to take the 285 and bypass the metro area. With my previous company, I did went into downtown Atlanta once, so I know it's a truck route, but cops and the city, they don't want semi trucks to go through it. But yeah, my first time doing a delivery in Atlanta, I believe it was a beer load. Man, I forgot the name of the company, but it's literally in downtown Atlanta. I completely forgot the name of the company. We have 3.5 miles to exit 51. I don't usually do this, like when I'm within 2 miles from my exit. But you know what? Whatever. He's going a little bit too slow. So yeah, the east side of the 285 is always like this, kind of quiet, not a lot of traffic. But when you get to the south side and to the west side and the north side, it's a complete different story. Because you guys got to remember, from the east side, it's the Interstate 85 and the 20 that goes into Atlanta and out of Atlanta. And then on the other directions, you have the 75 on the north side, you have 75 on the south side, you have the 85 and the 20. But for the most part, the east side of the 285 it's always quiet, unless of course if it's an accident or something like that. A left here. Oh, somebody got caught. Woo, woo, woo. That's a bad spot to get him a ticket. Or maybe he broke down. Alrighty guys, my gosh, we finally left that freaking place, man. Man, I was there for like about 55 minutes, I believe it was, almost about an hour. And I literally just put fuel. Oh my gosh. As you guys saw on the time, I decided just to do a time lapse so you guys can see it. Hopefully it comes out good. But man, I hate that place with a passion. But like I said, it was the cheapest fuel on my route for today. Alright, let's go ahead and continue on the 285. Time to get on the 20. Back on the 20. Yay. Bye-bye, Atlanta. Birmingham. Let's go to Birmingham. The twin is gonna be our friend all the way till tomorrow morning. This is like a big hill here when you get on the 20 here, when you merge into it. I hate it. Especially if you're heavy. Oh, it's gonna come up soon. Right here. This hill right here. Oh, look at the traffic. It's building up. To get into the 285 is going eastbound here on the 20. Let's see, they just pulled this in. Let's see what they want. I should be good with the weight. They gave us the bypass here. Don't know why they didn't give me the bypass when I passed over the plates on the interstate. Oh yeah, I know why. Probably because I don't have the license plate, maybe. Hello. Local time it's 4:31 p.m. Central Time, and currently traveling Interstate 20 still, going westbound. We have 1 mile to go till we get to Mississippi. Yes, sir. Yeah, the whole time we've been on cruise control, going the speed limit, guys. Oh man, no traffic. After we bypassed the oh my gosh, what's the name of the city? Oh, Birmingham. There you go, Birmingham. We took the 459 to bypass and then get back on the 20. Other than that, it's been quiet. No traffic. There you go. There you go. Welcome to Mississippi. Welcome to Mississippi, guys. Man. And just like that, we're gonna have a weigh station coming up. And it's open too. Oh dear. Let's see if we're gonna get a bypass. I already signed up for the pre-pass to bypass the weigh stations, but I have to get home so I can get the device and put it on the windshield. But for now, we have to go through the weigh station and do this. Alright, looks like we got a bypass. I don't know about you guys, but I didn't get any signs. This guy in front of me was the one that got the sign. 15 miles per hour to go through here. Alrighty. Oh, they didn't give me a red light there, so we're good. We are gonna be stopping at a Pilot about, give me 1 second. We're about an hour and 35 minutes away from the Pilot in Jackson. Oh, welcome to Jackson, El Jackson. We're gonna get off here on exit 47. Yeah, 47. We're gonna go to the Flying J, the Flying Hook. I gotta put some DEF. I completely forgot to top it off back in Atlanta. And also to use the bathroom really quick. Local time it's 6:04 p.m. Standard Time. And current temperature is 42 degrees. I believe you guys seen this oh wait, oh, okay. Oh, for a second I thought I took the wrong exit. But yeah, I believe you guys seen this Flying J. I think I did a fueling video. Over here, yeah, I believe I did, yeah. Let me see, how far am I from where I'm gonna be parking for the day. Oh, that's not bad. We have 1 hour and 25 minutes and we're done for the day. Oh, you guys saw that. I didn't want on red. I went on yellow. Okay, let's see which one is open. Oh, let's go to this one. Let's back it up a little bit. That's good. All right, let's go ahead and put some DEF, use the bathroom, drink something, and get going. We have about 1 hour and 30 minutes to go. All right, peace out, guys. See you guys in a few. Yeezer.